Hello viewers, once again Microsoft has confirmed another problem on its non-issues health dashboard. This time this issue is that reset and recovery function might not work on some version of Windows. Interestingly, Windows 11 24H2 is not affected. The problem may impact Windows 11 version 23H2, 22H2 and Windows 10. According to the Microsoft, no Windows Server version are affected. Here are what's happening after installing the August 2025 Windows Security Update. The patch Tuesday update, the problem may appear. For Windows 11 23H2, the update is KB50637875. For Windows 10, the update is KB506379. I have already covered both update and separate video. You can check those out if you want more details. Microsoft explained that after installing these updates, attempt to reset or recover your device might fail. This can happen if you try one of the following action. Go to settings, then system, then recovery. Reset this PC as try to reset. Using the PEX problem using Windows Update option Windows 11 only, or an enterprise setup using remote YCSP, which also trigger the problem. Microsoft says it's working on an emergency out of brand update to fix this issue for the affected platform. They will release it in coming days and I will share update on more detail are available. If your reset or recovery is not working after installing the August update on Windows 10 or 11, this is likely the reason. Hopefully Microsoft roll out this fix soon and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.